Imagine the scene. Production is humming along, a new batch of medication is on schedule, ready for the vital next step. But the unexpected happens. The scheduling system flags an error. A resource has been assigned to a critical task. There's just one problem. Their training isn't up to date on the latest GMP for this specific step. This may seem like a minor detail, but in the world of pharmaceuticals, precision is paramount. Every step ensures the safety and efficacy of the medicine millions rely on. But how do you ensure that every employee is not just trained, but certified before stepping into the manufacturing of GMP products? How can you guarantee the highest standards of safety, quality, and compliance? Enter GxP Training from Merit Solutions, the solution that automates and streamlines your training management, making it effortless and dependable. Say goodbye to administrative headaches. Our system-driven training setup ensures hassle-free administration, allowing your workforce to stay competent and compliant. Configurability is the key. Tailor training courses to specific job roles, ensuring adherence to ever-changing compliance regulations with a push of a button. Also, we understand that everyone learns differently. That's why we offer versatile training material formats to meet the diverse learning needs of your workforce. Moreover, easily add assessment questions to ensure that the material provided has been consumed and understood fully. And it's not just about what's happening behind the scenes. Our user-friendly interfaces make it a breeze for both trainees and trainers. Intuitive design with clear information enables users to quickly get to the assigned tasks, open the course materials, and ultimately master the skills needed for efficient and productive GMP tasks. GxP Training also seamlessly integrates with GxP Documents or your own document management system and enables you to stay up to date with SOPs maintenance, reviews, collaborations, and document updates. Why risk using outdated SOPs and manuals? Our system safeguards your workforce safety, quality, and performance by preventing the use of obsolete documents. Now back to our pending training task and its course material. The plant sanitation SOP has the information needed for a user in this particular role. By using GxP Documents as a repository, we know that this document is in its most updated, approved, and effective state, ensuring that the workforce is only using the most up-to-date documents. The next part on the trainee's journey brings us back to the GxP Training app. The trainee needs to complete an assessment, ensuring that the SOP information has been properly absorbed and learned. After completion, the record needs to be signed with the trainee's unique electronic signature. GxP Training provides users with all the necessary tools to effectively manage and control the training compliance of their workforce. It helps users design, develop, and deliver the training programs with ease, making actionable tasks available to the right personnel only, and it comes with insightful dashboards and reports for progress tracking and easier decision-making. GxP Training, where automation meets compliance, ensuring your production is not just efficient, but consistently exceeds the highest standards of safety, quality, and compliance. Because in the world of regulated manufacturing, efficiency starts with a qualified workforce.